DJM TV.
Hold on. Well, I just want to use this medium. I want to use this medium to declare that Nigeria is not safe.
Yes.
Look at people here.
Yes, okay.
Look at people, villagers, different people. Look at what they have done. Now, what we have, excuse me. What we have here today is the Fulani herdsmen. They came in, please now. They came in, they cut off people's heads, and they have taken them away. So we want the whole world to see how wicked and how bad Nigeria is. People are suffering. Mona talk, let them hear. They want the governor. Hold on. Yes, sir, you talk. I want, please, what's your name, sir?
My name is
Agbe Ota. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this morning, we had an information.
Yes, sir.
The kidnappers, they are operating the road before.
Where are they from?
The kidnappers. We don't know. They are Fulanis. They are Hausas.
Hausas, okay.
So we heard that they are before a rural village.
Okay.
That is when you are approaching AS HE.
Yes, sir.
So then our men, they saw them when they were picking at the road.
Yes,
so
sir.
they have to go to the scene and rescue those people that they are kidnapping.
Okay.
So during that process, they were exchanging guns.
Gunshots.
So then one of our persons appears at Bolaho. He's already down.
My God.
He's in the mortuary.
My God.
He's taken to the mortuary now.
My God.
Then what? Almost 20 vigilantes were operating in the bush. Obaje community, then Uga community, then Okwo community. They have to go to the. They have to go to the bush.
To the bush.
Then even 3 of them, they are with me here now. They sustained a very light injury. The machine of the gun.
This will not be this thing now. No, give him in gun. It's okay. I'm hearing. Yes.
Due to the gun that is with them.
Yes.
They can't face the battle.
Yes.
So that's why they have to retreat back. As we are still talking now, these men, they are going through power lines.
Through power lines.
Through power lines.
Okay.
And they make an entrance to the community. There's an entrance that they make to the communities, each community. That is where they do fall out and operate. And during this incident, even there's an accident there now.
Seriously.
There's an accident there now. The trailer lose control and 5 vehicles were involved.
My God.
So as we are talking about now, we have an information yesterday.
Yes, sir.
That the local government chairman, Agbama, that he has listed some names of the people out as a community police. Me and the chairman, Mr. Ogaba Friday, we went to yesterday to confirm on what he told us about some time ago.
Yes.
On how it's going to be confirmed.
Yes.
As we went to that place,
yes.
on no avail.
Yes.
There was nothing done. It looked as if it's a political
vendetta. Yes, sir.
So he selected the people he knows unknowingly to each community. So that is the reason why today, as our brothers been down there at the mortuary, so we said here today that we want to see the local government chairman to address each community here.
Okay.
That is the reason why we are blocking this roadblock here today. Thank you.
Hold on now. Hold Mujane, excuse me. Now we want hold on, you talk, we want to let everybody here know that something is happening in Nigeria. The place is not safe. Look at people. Now, look at the gun that you expect. Now, with this gun that they will use to fight, is this? Now, these guys came in with pop action. Oh my, you see. And excuse me, sir. They said they kidnap people. How many people did they kidnap?
We don't know because
My God, 12 of them.
They kidnapped 18 from Pidgin. 18 Pidgin kidnappers. That was undisclosed. Yes.
We are live. We are live. We are going live. Okay. I want you all to. Anybody want to talk? Anybody want to say anything?
Yes, I need support of soldiers.
Yes, sir.
And more guns, Oga.
Okay.
We need more guns.
Okay.
We Obaje Jew. We need more guns.
Okay.
And we need one more car for that slope.
Yeah.
And we need one more car for this place.
Okay, sir.
We don't need. You don't tell me they don't cheat on
Okay.
us.
Okay.
We don't need no more discipline again.
Okay.
So that let the government should come here.
Okay.
And tell us how you want to do it. This is not all this one.
My man, now introduce yourself. Go on.
I remember my humble self, DSA Jomogi Vincent, the first group of Nigeria, coordinator of Modern local government. Actually, we went on patrol this morning.
Yes.
At BC, Egwalo Hazis.
Okay.
So we heard a distress call from Obadan.
Okay.
So we actually drove down to Obadan. On arriving there, there was nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
We just stayed there for like about 30 to 1 hour.
Okay.
30 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
Then we saw some Hausa men. We apprehended them.
Some Hausa men.
Some, yes.
Okay.
Some Fulani S-men.
S-men, okay.
We apprehended them.
Fulani House men, yeah.
Yes. But in that same moment, there was a car, a Mercedes car, black. With casino number, the number was somehow. So because we didn't have the number of the police ahead of us,
Yes.
I just follow the car. Before we get to the police checkpoint, they did not even stop me actually. They did not even stop me. They just passed. So as I was explaining today, some of the army, because I know one of them, captain, they now said that they are kidnapper or herdsmen at Oko village. That moving area. So I have to ask my men, let's move. We were actually coming. Actually, there was no vehicle coming from this house. We know it was there. But when we get here, we stayed for like another 20 minutes. It was not that same place again. They said the road, it was this community that is blocked, and they shot one of the vigilante.
Yes.
Said, okay, so we said we have to go meet them and also collaborate to fight this crime together.
Together, yes.
So on our way, the road, it blocks very far distance. So
yes.
we have to trek down to this place. So my mind now, what I'm appealing to government, they should please.
Yeah.
This one.
It's not on. It's nothing.
This one, Cutlass is
this is day gone now.
Cutlass is
it's not
better than this.
Yes.
At times it may even fail you.
Yes.
You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
So we may not actually need money from government.
Yeah.
We may not actually need money.
Yes.
But what we need is they should empower us.
Empower you.
This is our community. During
DJM TV.
In 4 years ago or 5 or 10 years ago, we were hearing from North that herdsmen are invaded there.
Yes.
We thought it was a news. But today, I will assure you that the herdsmen has invaded us, especially in Nwode. We are, like I gathered information about 5-6 days ago, that the herdsmen in this bush from here to that Obadan, there are more than 70-80 in the bush. So how can you allow only 4 or 5 vigilantes to invade these people? No. So please help us.
Thank you, sir. Please, I want to make a very important thing to the whole world here, that Nigeria is being cycled by these people. And some time ago, we are told that they were collecting guns from every Nigerian. Now, have you collected guns from Nigerians, but the Fulani heistmen have access to gun? Now, having access to gun, look at everybody is powerless. What do we do? How do we fight this battle? Now, only God go free help us. So, every one of you, I want you to know that God will not disappoint us. Amen. No, I want to say this here, God cannot disappoint us. All I know, something, if person say get you'll be amazed, sir. You'll be amazed, but they're not going to succeed. Amen. Because right now, thank God, we have militant youth, we have powerful youth, we are well able, we have Rambo full here. So we don't fear anything. So all we need is empowerment. That's what they are saying. These are the people. You can see all of them. They are all angry. Look at the go slow. Look at it. Look at it here. Look at it. The whole world is watching us now. We are live. The whole world is watching us. This is live. We are live. We are going live. This is what is happening right now. Right now, you know, you see? Which local government? Local government in Edo State. Local government in Edo State. Benin Aujiro, the only road leading to Abuja. The Fulani herdsmen just came out from the bush, killed a lot of people, cut off their heads, and they took a lot away captive. They took them away captive. They took them away. The devil is a liar. In Nigeria, we don't know what's going on. Something is happening. People have been here for more than 4 hours. May the Lord help us. May the Lord fight our battle. It is well with us. So
amen.
Now God go fight our battle.
Amen.
Now go fight, because this thing don't. Anybody want talk? Who want talk? I ready. Who want talk? Anybody still want to talk? Yes, sir. There's nothing to say more. Bros, now we're done.
I already say everything. We want to see the governor. That's the matter.
That's the point now.
Yes.
That's the point. My brother, I will go too.
I see no reason.
It is well. Now the whole world. Now the whole world. This is not God. Let me tell you, governor not fit do anything here. Now the whole world. We need help. The world need help. Nigeria need help.
This is very bad.
The world has to know what is going on. Just kill innocent people.
And this federal road.
Only one way road. One way in, one way out. One way in, one way out. Yes. Okay.
All right.
This federal road. Federal road. This is very bad.
Bros, I beg.
No, police don't.
So I'm signing out now.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I beg, Mona come. You know what we will do now, I beg. Make we create
No,
way.
no, as it be now. Say we have come. Let us go to our men. Bring them down.
Okay.
Let us sweep the road.
Come on, come on.
And not be. No more open. No more open. That care our member. We are suffering. We can work. See, yes, we are not getting more no better country.
Yes, wait now. We are together. We are together in it now. Not be me. They look and me. They send it all over. I say all over the world. You know, see, I say with the video ram. Listen, anywhere, the whole world they see you now as they talk. Oga, as you are talking now, the whole world is seeing you. Are you hearing me now? I have not gone off. The whole world is watching you now. So just take them easy. All of us go cooperate with each other. Talk, we can talk.
We live tech, we live motor to equip everything. Now the people in the bush now.
They are in the bush.
Women, no fit go farm. Man, no fit go farm. We are suffering. To eat no problem for us. Government not the answer as well. That's our problem. That's why they don't kill our members. So no plug road, put no motor we park. Make government answer as well. That's my own annoyance.
Okay.
So Oga, I'm sorry. They should Oga, let me talk.
Come this way.
They should empower the Oga, I'm sorry. They should empower the vigilante because they are the traveler of this road. Like now, when you went to Kogi State, they empowered the vigilante because the Kogi State, the kidnapping and the robbery there is excess. But since when they empowered the vigilante, the men,
thank you, sir.
It's very everywhere is peaceful now.
All right, sir.
In Kogi, but the only problem we have now, Opela to Okele, there's a strong kidnapping there and robbery. So we need enough people.
All right. God bless you.
Vigilante there.
God bless you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.